how to change Netflix region on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to change your Netflix region on your iPhone, it is not possible from the Netflix app. For that, you'll need to install a VPN. I suggest downloading the Turbo VPN. So just open it up. This will help you change the region in your Netflix. So you just have to tap on the carrot like icon. There is no need to sign in. You just need to wait for a while it connects. And then there you go. Now you can see that the VPN has been connected and you can just open up the Netflix and then enjoy your shows. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.